Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Lucy, I am standing with my coffee, and every table looks busy.
Cafe seat English, very useful.
I want to ask someone, but I do not know how to make the sentence.
That is a normal beginner problem, and today we can make the sentence clear.
Good. I am holding my coffee, and I still do not have a seat.
Today we will learn how to ask if a seat is free, how to sit down politely, and how to explain that you are waiting for a friend.
I need this lesson right now.
First, look at the chair. There is a bag on the table, but no person.
I say, does someone sit here?
People will probably understand, but the natural question is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Good. The word taken means someone is using it or saving it.
So taken means not free.
Exactly. If the seat is free, the person may say no, go ahead.
No means yes?
In this question, yes.
Oh, that is surprising.
The question is the seat taken? If they say no, it is not taken, you can sit.
Okay. No, go ahead means I can sit.
Right.
What if I want to ask more simply?
You can say, can I sit here? Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
This is very direct but still polite because you ask first.
Can I sit here? Easy.
Now one small contrast. Is this seat taken? Asks about the seat. Can I sit here? Asks for permission.
Okay. One question asks about the seat and one question asks if I can sit.
Exactly. Both are useful.
I have a grammar problem.
Tell me.
I say, can I sit in here?
Good beginner mistake. For a chair or a spot beside someone, say sit here, no in. Can I sit here?
Can I sit here? Okay, I should not say in here. I should say here.
Yes. And now maybe the person says, yes, sorry, my friend is sitting there.
Then I say, oh, okay, no problem.
Perfect. Oh, okay, no problem.
Oh, okay, no problem.
That line is short, but useful because it keeps the moment friendly.
I like friendly. I do not want to fight a chair.
Please do not fight the chair.
What if I need only one seat, not the whole table?
You can say, I just need one seat. I just need one seat.
I just need one seat. I just need one seat. That feels clear.
Yes, the word just makes it sound small and easy.
I say, I only need one seat.
That is also okay. I just need one seat sounds very natural in this cafe moment.
Got it.
Now add one more real-life sentence. Maybe your friend is coming soon.
I am not really alone because my friend is coming soon.
You can say, I am waiting for a friend. I am waiting for a friend.
I am waiting for a friend. Can I say I wait my friend?
Close, but use waiting for. I am waiting for a friend.
Okay, I need the word for after waiting.
Yes, the phrase is wait for someone.
I am waiting for Lucy because she is helping me practice.
And the chair is learning very well.
Nice.
Now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
Is this seat taken? Can I sit here? I just need one seat. I am waiting for a friend.
Good. Now let's switch. Everyone listening, make it yours. You can say, I am waiting for a friend. Or, I am waiting for my sister. Now say your own sentence.
I said, I am waiting for my coffee. Is that allowed?
In real life, yes. In this lesson, also yes.
Great.
Now let's hear one natural cafe moment. Clear, normal speed, but still beginner-friendly. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks, I just need one seat.
Sure. Are you waiting for someone?
Yes, I am waiting for a friend. She will be here soon.
No problem. I can move my bag.
Nice! One new useful sentence appeared there. I can move my bag?
That means I can put my bag somewhere else.
Exactly. It is a kind sentence when your bag is on a chair. I can move my bag.
I can move my bag. I can use that when my bag is on another chair.
Your bag can still move.
Fair.
Today we learned, is this seat taken? Can I sit here? I just need one seat, and I am waiting for a friend.
I also learned no, go ahead is good news.
Exactly. Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. Where do you usually need this sentence? In a cafe, on a bus, in a classroom, or somewhere else?
Write one place in the comments. We would love to read them and cheer for you.
Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.